MotionBro is a plugin for After Effects and Premiere Pro that makes it easy to import animation presets into your project. Here are some examples of what you can create with MotionBro. Seamless transitions. MotionBro includes a wide variety of seamless transitions that can be used to create smooth and professional-looking transitions between your clips. Titles and lower thirds. MotionBro includes a variety of titles and lower thirds that can be used to add text and graphics to your videos. Motion graphics. MotionBro can be used to create motion graphics, such as animated charts, graphs, and maps. Animated elements. MotionBro can be used to create animated elements, such as particles, lights, and text effects. Finally, MotionBro includes over 700 sound effects. The sound effects are divided into categories, such as transitions, titles, lower thirds, and more. To download this plugin, click on the link in the description. Click on this link to go directly to the download page. Now click on this button. The file it will download directly.